We just had $450 sent into our PayPal accounts just now. Oh, and look, not even another hour, I already have another $450 sent into my PayPal account. I wait some more, and wow, another $450. That's crazy. My day hasn't even ended yet, but I'm already reaching a quota. Life is nice like this. Oh, you want to learn how I'm doing this? Well, look no further because in today's video, this is exactly what you're going to learn. We're going to be teaching you how you can be making $450 by the hour and all just by reading. You heard that right. All you have to do is read and you could be receiving all these payments and even more. Now, not a lot of people are well aware of today's method yet, but since you guys mean the absolute world to us, it's time we let you guys in on our little secret because we want us all to thrive together. This method is 100% free, so you're not going to be paying for anything at all, and it is available in all countries, left and right, and up and down. All you will need for today's method is either a mobile phone or a computer and a stable internet connection, and you're ready as you can ever be. Our method is super easy as it is, but to make it even much easier for you guys, we're going to be walking you through today's whole method, and we're even going to be dropping some tips and tricks for you guys to try out with our method to hopefully double or even triple your income. So make sure that you watch throughout this whole entire video from start to finish so that you won't get confused about today's method. And make sure that you don't skip a part so you don't miss any important details, because if you do miss important details, then chances are you won't get your desired results. Before we get right into today's video, if it's your first time in the channel, welcome to the Money Shark channel. In this channel, we upload videos on how to make money online so you can try them out for yourself and start making your own money. If you want to be a part of this channel, then don't forget to click the subscribe button down below to be a part of our Making Money Online journey, and hit the notification bell beside it to be the first to know whenever we upload a brand new video. Without further ado, let's just get right into the video. First website that we're going to be talking about is called HireSign.com, and this is their website. We've talked about this website before, but there has actually been some pretty great upgrades, so this website is a must for our method for today. Now, let's quickly go through this website. Basically, this website is a website that holds a lot of online job opportunities. A few benefits of this website is that there is better flexibility. With the work discipline, you are free to determine your own work hours, environment, lighting, temperature, setting, and more importantly, work in the framework that suits you best. There's more time. One of the biggest advantages of working from home is you are the key person who will manage when you work and when you have personal time. If your mornings are too busy, you are free to work at night. And there is a sense of freedomness. Dirty office politics creates stress and distractions, while home-based employment offers freedomness. Nobody is there to keep you on your toes or to tell you what to do, which means when you work from home, there's no supervision. So basically, this website emphasized how great online jobs are and working from home is in general. You can do typing jobs, paid survey jobs, and even proofreading jobs. To our newcomers, where are you guys from? We'd love to know. So make sure that you comment that down below and let us know what you love about the channel so far. Now let's continue. Now what we're going to be doing has something to do with Google Docs and a file like this in particular. Anyway, going back to HireSign, if you click on all current openings, you're going to see all of this. Typing jobs earn $4 to $6 per page. Proofreading jobs earn $5 to $10 per page. Paid survey jobs earn $5 to $50 per survey. Graphic designing jobs earn $15 to $40 per assignment. PowerPoint presentation jobs earn $3 per PowerPoint slide. Spreadsheet entry jobs earn 2 cents to 4 cents per cell. Voice recognition jobs earn $15 to $40 per assignment. Online advertisement jobs earn 5 cents per ad posted. And language translation jobs earn $10 to $30 per page. Now there is a lot to choose from, but we're obviously going to be focusing on the proofreading jobs. So let's go ahead and click on that. So basically, this is a sample file that you will be receiving to proofread. And since this is a 2-page paper, that means you're going to get paid $20 for this project alone. Isn't that awesome? Now go back to HireSign, and as you can see, the benefits of proofreading jobs is that there is competitive pay, the hours are flexible, and you have great colleagues. Now it's time to apply, so click on this button right here. Then you're going to be taken to here. And you need to brave through this whole process because it is kind of lengthy. And then click on step 2 right here. Then you'll be taken to here. And then scroll down a bit till you see the Apply Now button. Then you're going to be taken to the last page, and finally with the application form on it. And what you're going to want to do is fill up this entire form completely and correctly and then submit it. And then just to wait for a confirmation email that you've been accepted. And as soon as you are accepted, you're going to start receiving files like this one that you're going to have to proofread. And I know you're questioning, how are you going to proofread anything if you don't even know how to proofread at all? Well, just sit back and relax, and we're going to get right into that. If you're enjoying this video so far, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't yet, and hit the notification bell beside it to be notified every time we upload a brand new video. Now let's continue. Now if they send you an MS file, which they most probably will, you're going to want to copy the entire thing, and then you're going to open up Google Docs and paste it on here. And this is how that file setup should end up looking like. Now Google Docs is actually going to be doing all of the work for us, which means that you would be doing absolutely nothing. Except for, of course, manipulating the mouse clicks, but other than that, all of the proofreading action will be done by Google Docs itself. We're sure you see all of the underlined or highlighted words in red or in blue. All these words that are underlined or highlighted in red or blue are all the words that are mistakes. They need to be corrected, and now you're probably thinking, okay, so now I'm supposed to figure out what to change this to? Well, no, and that's the best part. Google Docs doesn't only identify the mistakes, it also corrects the mistakes for you. So really, no work from you at all. Just click on all of the highlighted words one by one, and then the correction will pop up, and all you have to do is click on that, and Google Docs will automatically correct the mistake with the right word. They do this for punctuation marks, sentences, lines, and even just single words. Make sure to scan the whole Google Docs for underlined words, just so that you can do this correctly and completely. And once that's all done, you can just click on File and download it in whatever file type, and then it'll download straight into your computer, and you can pass it and earn $20 just like that. As soon as you finish one, you're gonna be sent more, and all you have to do is repeat the whole process, and that is basically everything. And that is it for today's video. If you haven't already, make sure that you leave a like down below to show your love and support for this video. Also, smash that subscribe button down below to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that either. And make sure to click the notification bell beside it to be the first to know when we upload a brand new video on how to make more money online through different methods. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed it, and we will see you in the next one.